Thank you so much for listening to my coaching, and how was I able to help you?
Yes, Neni, thank you so much for helping me. You found me in Clubhouse, lost and confused as I was pitching to some really amazing investors, and you reached out to me, and I took your coaching opportunity, and I'm really grateful I did, because you were able to synthesize what the people were saying to me in a way that I could understand, because they were telling me really fast, some advice, and but you were able to really help me synthesize it and put a plan together, and really become, create something that is going to be of value, instead of just me trying to figure out on my own how to do something. So I really appreciate you reaching out, and I really found your coaching valuable, and I look forward to continuing to work with you in the future.
Thank you so much.